Hey everyone, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to talk about what the benefit is to adding a pedestal to your front load washer and dryer. I will be honest, I do have a pedestal and it has changed my life and it has changed the way that I do laundry. I am not a very tall person, but I did feel bad when other people would come over to our house and if they ever had to do laundry. My in-laws, especially my father-in-law, is very tall, so having to really crouch down and put things in the washer, and especially trying to get those clothes out of the washer into the dryer, can really put a lot of strain on your back. So adding a pedestal, and we do have a couple different sets through here. So you have two of the traditional heights. They're gonna be anywhere from 12 inches up to 15 inches, which you can see over here. Not only the benefit being able to actually get in the unit, taking things out, and then putting them in without even having to bend over is a benefit, but also if you have a small space and you need extra storage. Now I will be honest, for me, I have a little kind of tray underneath my washer and dryer, so mine do not open. But if you do not have that tray and have that option, these are extra storage options to put detergent. You can put your dryer wool balls. You can do, any kind of extra things that you need, spot cleaner, things like that, all can be stored in here instead of on top of the unit if you are in a position where you don't have a lot of opportunity to have storage. So that's one benefit to that. Like I said, having that height where it's raised up, just being able to get in and out of your washer. Extremely, extremely convenient. I typically don't recommend getting a front load set now without them, especially after having them personally. Okay, so LG a couple years ago came out with an opportunity to not only have a pedestal built in, but this actually has a built-in washer. So you can put your clothes into the washer as normal, and then for those smaller loads, even delicate items, you can use this as a secondary washer. So not only is it going to raise it up, but you also have about roughly 1 cubic feet of space to put in that. So it's great, for kids if you have back-to-back soccer games or you just need a really quick, small load. That's the convenience of having something like this. And then as you can kind of see here, we have it just pinned, kind of have it paired with an LG set right here, which has a built-in laundry basket. So again, different opportunities to do storage, but also raising that up, making sure it's really convenient to be able to get clothes and garments out of your washer and into your dryer. Then the last option is over here from GE. So GE actually put together an even smaller pedestal. However, this is not meant for storage. It does not open. It is actually built onto the unit, so you cannot open and close it. It is purely for the opportunity to be able to get into your washer or your dryer and not have to bend over as low. If you have shelves above, or if you have, any kind of cabinets and you just don't have the space to do them really high, this is a really good opportunity to kind of, again, raise it up a little bit, but not taking up a ton of space. So stop into one of our locations, take a look, see if a pedestal is right for you. We have a ton of different sizes and a lot of options for you to come check out.